Morning everybody, it's Wednesday morning, and as you can see, my setup. Shouldn't have really bothered bringing all this, but anyway, I'm going to try something I've not done for maybe a year or so today. I'm going to try and use my flint and steel to start a small fire. Just give me a second. Right. There's the honey stove ready. I've just got some bits of twig and so I found some birch bark, so I'm going to get that done. So bear with me till I get this set up, and I'll be back to you in a couple of minutes. Bye bye. I can't seem to get a balance on this guy rope, so the camera's too heavy for the balance, so let's have a look. Well, I'll tell you what I could try. Try that. Right, let me try again later. Try again, I'll see in a bit. Right, fire kit. But you notice, all those that notice walkers, the Sanders crossing it, I've had this for ages, so. Right. There's my flint. There's my steel. So, I don't know if, as I said, I've not done this for a long time. I need to make up some more char cloth soon. There's my char cloth. Right, here we go. Let's see if I can get a spark off this straight away. Yep, I'm sparking, so here we go, let's try it. Very good piece of that, but right, let's try. Right, caught straight away. You can see it, right? There you go. So it does work. And got some dried grass in the pocket. There we go. So instant fire. As quick as that. Got some more if I needed it. Trying to get some sticks on it. As I said, it's just all I'm doing today is just try that. If it works, it works. So, and I've got some pine cones. There's a lot of insects here today, so just put them on. It's not going to work. It's went out, but it shows you it does work. So it's still smoking. So that one job done. I'll just leave that just now. Right, I'll catch you in a wee while. That's it, job one complete. My way, I'm not, as I said, I'm not using this for cooking today or pardon me, boiling water, just an experiment. And I'll see you in a wee while. Right, bye bye. Right, there we go. I'll take this round the right way. Nice and smouldy. There we go. One other piece of kit I've got to show you, but I'm going to have a coffee, something munch, get the radio on, and we'll have a blather after. So, oh, I'll tell you what I will do, if you give me a minute. Remember that knife? That's the one I bought for Joe. That's that Lee Bennett. Right, so that's in my Northern Ireland pack, and this is another knife Joe gave us. It's called the Bird and Trout. That is like a bloody scalpel. Oh dear. It's ideal for skinning, and that's what it'll be used for, skinning or food prep. Actually, it's need a bloody clean up. I'll do that when I get home. So, a perfect knife for that. And that's an old fire steel, but Job gave me one of them, so it's in my other rucksack just now. I'll put it on there. So that's the knife I'm using in this kit from now on. I may as well let you see the fire. Oh, and Job gave me this as well. Big slab of flatwood. So tomorrow when I'm down, I'm going to try it, and if we get fire going with it or not. I don't think I've ever used flatwood before. I'm not 100% sure. So that's the job for tomorrow. And fire kit is cotton balls, flint and steel. That's some dried, that in there is some dried birch bark. In there, charcloth, and that is it. So that's all I have in my fire kit. So I'll put it all back in and we'll see you in a bit. Bye bye. Right, hello again. Watered, fed, just chilling. Aye, on about the last video I done. I'm doing it at Hags Bank. Oh, it's a cracking weekend. Now, as I say, if people don't like chilling, doing nothing, wrong place to be. But, oh no, it was good. It was good to meet up with Derek again. And Angie and Scott, really nice couple. They would have fitted in perfectly with the ethos of the original group. They, you know, they're open for anything, try anything, and very, you know, they're good people. But alas, that group no longer exists. It's a shame, but there you go. Been driven apart. Still, it was a good couple of years we had. Anyway, the next bit of kit that I'm going to show you, you may be seen quickly or for a couple of seconds. Oh, my eyes are dry on the video, so I'll let you see this. There you go. That's my GoPro. Right. That's the light for the GoPro. That's the wee USB power point for the GoPro, and that's the cable. There is a monopod, right, and that's the zoom one. yeah, H1 zoom. So I've got a whole basic setup in the one thing. Now I hardly ever use the GoPro nowadays, to be honest with you, because look at the difference between the I'm recording now. As you can see the red light in the GoPro. You can see me perfectly in the camera. I'll put a copy of the GoPro in to see the difference. Right, so that, as you can see, is about 2 inches away from the screen. Right, so that, as you can see, is about 2 inches away from the screen. If I could get a setup, something similar for the phone, I'd put the phone in there and just no bother with the GoPro. But as it stands, I don't, so the view and my surroundings. So I'm going to be going away soon. I'm so chilled out today, it's unreal. I'm sitting with another cup of coffee, and after that I'm just going to get tidied up, stuff put away, and head back down the road. I've got another wee bag to fill with the basics. It's one of these shoulder bag things. So I had one before, but it wasn't very good, so I ordered another one. So with a bit of luck I'll be back down tomorrow, and I'll let you see it. All it is for a day walk. So I won't carry the I don't know what to put in it yet, we'll wait and see. I'll have a look and I think, and I'll do that. So I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. If I remember, I will bring that down and I'll let you see it. And then I'm on a long weekend, and I thought, well, a week on Friday, 5 days off. Thanks for watching, the few folk that watch, and we'll see you in the next one. Right, bye bye.